Okay, I want to talk about 28-hour probiotic yogurt by Kit, which is me. I want you to stop wasting your time and your money with Dr. Davis repeaters and followers on YouTube, giving you just more failed ways to make your probiotic yogurt, because that's what they do. I've watched enough of them screw up the yogurt, cook separated yogurt, and tell you that's the way it's gotta be. Try it the second batch. Well, my channel doesn't do that. I teach you how to cook it the first time with no separation. And I teach you how to make creamy, high count, and tested yogurt through my method of testing with pH strips. When you start your yogurt batch, you have a pH level alkaline of 7.0, and when it's fully done and you don't want to cook it anymore, you have an acid pH level of 4. I've proven this on my channel. Come see what I'm talking about. My method is I cook everything warm. I don't start anything cold, which is totally illogical because the probiotic flora lives in body temperature, which is about 98.6 or thereabouts. So basically, I want you to come over to my channel and find out what all my subscribers are raving about my method, 28 versus 36 hours. Please start viewing my videos, and I suggest the first one you start with is titled this: L. reuteri with L. gasseri probiotic yogurt made perfect, tested. Okay, that's about it for now. Come on over and see what's going on at Go Ask Kit on YouTube.